Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Toyota Prius out of park. First, ensure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal. Then, press the power button to fully turn on your vehicle. Once the ready indicator lights up, you can gently move the small shift lever. Push it to the left and then down to engage drive. Releasing the lever will return it to the center position, and you're ready to go. The Prius uses a unique electronic shift lever, not a traditional gear stick. To select reverse, push the lever to the left and then up. For drive, push it left and then down. After selecting your desired gear, simply release the lever and it will spring back to its central position. This design is intuitive once you get the hang of it, making shifting smooth and effortless. A crucial safety feature in your Prius requires you to press the brake pedal before you can shift out of park. If you're having trouble, double-check that your foot is firmly on the brake. Also, quickly inspect the area around the pedal to ensure no floor mats or other items are obstructing its full depression. This simple check often resolves shifting issues. Your Prius needs to be fully powered on and in ready mode to shift out of park. Just pressing the power button once might only activate accessory mode. Make sure the ready indicator light is illuminated on your dashboard. If it's not, try pressing the power button again. Sometimes, a low 12-volt battery can also prevent the car from entering ready mode, so check that if issues persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.